Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Toyota Tundra side view mirror. First, gather all the necessary tools. You'll need a basic screwdriver set, a socket wrench, and possibly a trim removal tool. Make sure you have the correct replacement mirror for your specific Tundra model. Working in a well-lit area will make the process much smoother and safer for you. Next, you'll need to carefully remove the interior door panel trim to access the mirror's mounting points. Once the trim is off, locate and disconnect the electrical connector attached to the mirror. Then, using a 10mm socket, unbolt the 3 nuts holding the old mirror in place. With the bolts removed, gently pull the mirror away from the door. Now it's time to install your new side view mirror. Carefully position the new mirror onto the door frame, aligning the mounting bolts. Hand tighten the 3 bolts first, then use your 10mm socket to secure them. Reconnect the electrical wiring harness, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Before reassembling, test the mirror's power adjustments and any integrated turn signals. For the final steps, carefully reattach the interior door panel and all trim pieces, making sure all clips and screws are secure. Adjust your new side view mirror to ensure optimal visibility for driving. Take a moment to double-check all connections and fittings to confirm everything is properly secured. You've successfully replaced your Toyota Tundra's side view mirror.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.